Good morning. Today is Monday, July 9th, 2012. The previous week ended on a weak note after poor economic data from the US and strengthening of the US dollar versus the euro. Now we give a wrap up of the day ahead and the week ahead of us in all commodities, commodity-wise. Gold is now trading at $1,581, hit a low last Friday of around the 1577 mark. Gold is trading weak and now prices look to test 1560 to 1550 dollars, and resistance is now seen at $1,600. MCX gold is trading weak but was held higher due to weakness in the INR at around 55.5 per dollar. Prices could now test, if sustains below 29,600, up to 29,500 to 480, and resistance is now seen at 29,700. On a weekly basis, gold last week have been for the last 2 to 3 weeks trading in a zone of $1,570 to $1,630 for the past few weeks. Prices tested the strong resistance last week of $1,630 and dropped down. Prices could now initially test $1,570 and sustains below $1,560 could test up to $1,530, which will form a triple bottom in the charts over the past few months. If it closes above $1,570, the resistances are at $1,600 to $1,610. Sharp rise in the INR during the previous 3 trading sessions held up the MCX gold, and trading range is expected to be in the range of 29,830 to 29,500. A break below 29,500 could test 29,300 to 29,100. Currently trading at $1,581, opens flat. Watch out for INR open during the course of early trades. Silver is currently trading at $27.2. It is trading weak and now looks to test $26.5 to $26.2. Strong support is now seen at $27 and resistance at $27.5. MCX silver closed on a weak note. Currently closed, last traded price was at the 52,200 mark. Opens mildly positive at around the 52,300 to 500 mark. Silver closed in line in dollar with the dollar rate. Prices now looks more weak below 53,000 to test immediate support of 52,500 for now. Resistance now at 53,300. Copper initially held above the strong level of 426, and then it came down. After it broke that support, it came down sharply to test a low of 423.75. Currently, last traded price was at 424.5. A break below 424 to 423.5 could test further levels of 421 and 419. Resistance is now at 426. If it sustains above, could test again the 430 to 432 mark. Nickel drop has broken the strong support level of 930. Now looks more weak to test up to 900 levels with strong resistance at 930 to 928. Crude oil corrected sharply to close below to near the 4,700 levels after a sharp rise during the week earlier. Prices could close above 4,800, and if it held above 4,750, looks positive to test again the 4,780 to 4,800 mark. Prices now looks above 4,800 to test 4,850 and 4,900. Support is seen at 4,750 and 4,700, and resistance at 4,800. Lead traded weak below 104 but bounced back again to close above the 104 mark. Expected to trade in a range of 104 to 105 currently. Prices again, if breaks below 104, could be weak to sharply to test the 103 to 102 levels, and resistance at 104.80 to 105. Zinc traded marginally weak and closed mild close to the 103.50. Remains range bound in 103.50 to 104.50. More weakness below the 103.25 levels. Watch out for INR, and as the data unfold during the course of week, trades will fructify, which we will mention and in our commentary and updates at our website at www.akshayaship.com. Have a safe trading day. Thank you.